Do you want the ultimate space-saving hack? These sofa tables assemble in seconds with zero tools. First up, VASAGLE's C-shaped end table. This one's all about clean design, practical size, and value for money. It's slim, just 11.8 inches deep, so it slips right into tight spots next to your couch or bed. The C-shape hugs furniture snugly, giving you a sturdy spot for drinks, books, or even a laptop. Assembly's a breeze, and the cream white finish keeps things looking minimalist. Plus, the steel frame and particle board mean it'll last without breaking the bank. Perfect if you want something simple, functional, and budget-friendly. Next, Yoobure's end table with charging station. This guy's a tech lover's dream. It's got built-in USB ports and outlets. Charge 4 devices at once. The outlets are smartly placed on the side, so no spills risk zapping your phone. Safety first, right? It also has a flip-top drawer and 2 shelves for storage, plus rounded edges to avoid bumpy accidents. At 23.6 inches tall, it's great as a nightstand or couch side station. The industrial chic design adds charm, and it's sturdy enough to hold up to 100 lbs. If you crave convenience and extra storage, this is your match. Finally, the couch arm tray, ideal for tiny spaces or solo living. Clip this bamboo tray onto your sofa arm and boom, instant table for snacks, drinks, or your phone. It adjusts to fit armrests up to 13.7 inches wide and even has a 360 degrees phone holder. The non-slip silicone keeps things steady, and it folds flat when not needed. No assembly required. If you're in a studio or hate bulky furniture, this space-saving hack is a lifesaver. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.